In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your engine air filter on this Toyota Camry with a 2.5 liter 2AR engine. Let's get started. Your engine air filter is located on the driver's side of your engine compartment, right behind your battery. This right here is going to be your air filter housing. There are two clamps you want to remove. This one here, just pop it backwards, and this one right here, same thing, pop it. Now you can lift up the front of this housing and slide it out of the two pins or hooks that are on the back side. And with that, you can remove your old air filter, which you can see this one wasn't too bad, but I'm going to replace it. Note that the air filter has round corners except for this one right here. And that is to show you that that sharp corner goes on the very far back side over there. That way you don't put it on backwards. So line it up. Drop it down in here, make sure it doesn't move around. And then when you put this housing on, you're gonna wanna hook the two tabs that are on the back side here into their slot. If you don't, not only will these tabs not hook in, but you won't get a nice tight seal. And once you do that, once it's properly situated, these clips should somewhat easily pop into place. If you have to really force them, it's not lined up and it will suck in dirty air. Not just that, but it could damage other components. With that said, the air filter is replaced, so turn on the engine, make sure everything is running smoothly, and there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.